Ka program ka ba arsngi ka balatip kum ka district level youth exchange program ka ba penlong da ka office o district sports officer DSO West Giant Hills District halor kapang today's youth tomorrow's leader kalakut no hak arpasan tarik Urisau hakyang nang ba government college auditorium hall Jowai ka jingtmu kani ka program kalong banyasam say kisap ki pongjong ki khinna school haka jinga ko ba pher bat ru bat penmi ya kinong yalam haka ni kasngi kakong DV Ling dot ADC West Giant Hills District kalalong kum kakong san haka jingdon lang u District Sports Officer DSO West Giant ya kinong hikai ki khna school na lor ki way kakong san na lor ki way ki riu rangba kila sam khusnam bat sernat shakinong jom haka jinga ko up top poetry Marcus MPD na Government Boys High Secondary School Ulawan Baningkong katba ka pilar sa Dakar na KJP Sinat Mingi High Secondary School Kalawan Baar. Haka story writing kasam haka rulipon na Government Boys High Secondary School Kalawan Baningkong but iba koridor waklang na North Liberty High Secondary School Kalawan Baar. Haka jinga ko painting ka kamti ling do talang na nong talang college Kalawan Baningkong but kayap hilang nongrang na kiyang nong ba Government College Kalawan Baar. Haka declamation ka saga situng na Government Boys High Secondary School Kalawan Baningkong but ka Jordan niti suklan na North Liberty High Secondary School Kalawan Baar. Haka folk song ka hun ikay rumbuy nong talang college Kalawan Baningkong but Baar damit relanong na Government Boys High Secondary School. Haka solo folk dance ka sinoria shooting na Government Boys High Secondary School Kalawan Baningkong but kawani siya rambay na Marion Hills High Secondary School Kalawan Baar. Haka jinga ko group folk song la job da ka Thomas Jones Synod College Baar ka North Liberty High Secondary School. Haka group folk dance la job da ka St. Raj High Secondary School Baar ka Government Boys High Secondary School. Haka jinga ko quiz ka Grace Milot sungo but Philion Irol Lamari ki bami khamat ya ka Government Boys High Secondary School Kilawan Baningkong kat ba ka Sneha Shish Bhata Charji but khamti lang merlia ki bami khamat ya ka Nong Talang College Kilawan Baar. Haka jinga ko science Mela Solo la job da ka Government Girls High Secondary School.